Hello, beautiful souls. It can be tough to recognize that the universe truly supports us, but it's important to remember that the world mirrors our energy. What we put out into the world, we receive in return. When we project positive energy with good intentions, the universe responds by bringing more positivity our way. These affirmations will help to reinforce these ideas in our minds, transforming them from conscious thoughts into deep-seated beliefs, so that even when life feels challenging, we know brighter days are ahead. We can practice these affirmations in any way that feels right. Whether we listen to them as part of our morning routine, repeat them aloud or in our minds, or settle into a meditative state for a deeper experience. However we choose to engage, let's start by taking a deep breath together. Inhale deeply, filling our chests and bellies, hold for a moment, and then exhale. Let go. Beautiful. Now, let's begin our affirmations. I trust in the universe. The universe is guiding me. I am in tune with the universe. I am aligned with the energy of my desires. I send out positive energy every day. I receive positive energy every day. I attract abundance and prosperity. I am attracting exactly what I need. Good things are coming my way. Wonderful things are on the horizon. Everything is working out for me. I trust that the universe is supporting me. The universe is taking care of me. I trust the process. My life is unfolding beautifully. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am doing exactly what I'm meant to do. I am open to receiving all the blessings life has to offer. My life is unfolding at the perfect pace. I trust the journey of my life. I choose to see things in a positive light. I am in perfect balance and harmony. I radiate love, compassion, and kindness. The tension I sometimes feel helps me appreciate the release. I am letting go of the need for control. I am embracing change with an open heart. I am surrounded by positive influences. I am growing stronger each day. I am resilient and capable of overcoming challenges. My dreams are within reach. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer. I am creating a life filled with joy and fulfillment. I attract loving and supportive relationships. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. I am living my best life every day. Alright, that concludes our affirmations. Let's finish the way we started. With a deep breath. Inhale deeply. hold at the top, and then exhale, release. And if our eyes were closed, now is a great time to slowly open them and gather ourselves. We hope you enjoyed these affirmations and that you're looking ahead with a positive outlook. Remember, good things are on the way. Send out positive energy and good intentions, they will come back to us. Thank you for being here today. Your presence means so much to us. If you found these affirmations helpful, please take a moment to leave a comment. Until next time, have an absolutely amazing day.